Beaks. Birds, like other animals, also need food to survive. But they do not have teeth to catch or chew the food. Instead, they have a strong beak to eat food. A bird's beak is suited for the type of food it eats. Some birds also use their beaks to protect themselves from their enemies. Birds have different kinds of beaks. For example, eagles, owls, and hawks hunt other animals and eat their flesh. So they have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks. Let us learn about various kinds of beaks in birds and the food they consume with their help. Pigeon. Beak. Small and short. Food. Seeds. Sparrow. Beak. Small and short. Food. Seeds, tender plants, and insects. Hummingbird. Beak. Long and straw-like. Food. Nectar. Eagle. Beak. Strong, sharp, and hooked. Food. Birds, mice, snakes, and other small animals. Parrot. Beak. Strong and curved. Food. Fruits and seeds. Duck. Beak. Broad and flat. Food. Worm and water plants. Peacock. Beak. Sharp and pointed. Food. Snakes, frogs, garden lizards, leaves and seeds. Kingfisher. Beak. Strong, long and pointed. Food. Fish, frogs and crabs. Nesting habits in birds. Birds make nests to lay eggs, hatch their babies, and protect them from enemies. Some birds make their nests in trees, and some birds make their nests on land. Birds use a variety of things to build their nests. These things include twigs, dry leaves, cotton, feathers, paper, wool, etc. Nests of some birds. A tailor bird uses its sharp, needle-like beak to stitch its nest. A woodpecker makes a hole in the trunk of a tree to make its nest. A bulbul builds its nest in bushes. A cuckoo does not build its own nest. It lays eggs in the nest of a crow. A penguin makes its nest on the ground.